Okay. Do you all understand what is migration? How many of you implemented the same in your weekend? How many of you completed these concepts? At least tried as it is or done some other work. How many of you does that? Chetan, Anjali, Natarajan.
Sir, I have tasted that.
Yeah. Will you get the successful results?
Yes, sir.
Great. Somebody has thumbs up. Who's that?
I also have tested that and got the results.
Super. At least you could have put the screenshot in the group, right? So that other new people will get interested, right? See, recommend people. There are a lot of people in the group, okay? If you really saw the results, just tell them that we did it. Put a screenshot. That will help others to join our session.
Yeah.
Okay. It's all about you guys are encouraging them as well as encouraging my content. It's nothing more than else. Okay. Don't take anything wrong. So now what I'm going to do, let me remove this, make sure the project will be in a proper structure. We discussed this one, we remove this one. And I'm also removing this. And I'm also removing this. Come down in the index. I'm removing this also. Clear?
Yes.
And this also I'm removing. Get products not required. Okay, so make sure my code will be clean and green. Perfect. Now let's build it. It will throw an error because in the index we created few things. I remove that as well. Here you go. You remove this div, this div, this div, all three divs. Done. Then build. This. I think it's recorded. It is recording, man. Hello? Mayur.
Sir.
Fine. But if you see here, there is no gap, right? So what you need to do, you create a div here, the body, div, class equal to container. Okay, and then div, class equal to row. Cut everything, keep it within here. Control A, K, T, so that it will comes into a proper alignment. Run it.
Control AD, sir.
Control A, D.
Okay.
Control A, K, T.
Okay, sir. Formatting.
Formatting, proper formatting.
Sir, this is for both, na? For CS, HTML and for
Whatever
.cs
it may
file.
be. Wherever the code, you see, the alignment is coming properly. Table alignment is coming properly. Say yes or no?
Yes.
But sir, between the table and the button, there is no gap. So what I'm going to do here is, I close it, go back here, I say table H over and say empty hyphen, table empty hyphen 4. Here I can say empty hyphen 4. And then this button, I'm going to keep in a column. Okay, for that, what I'm going to do, div class row, I keep within a row of this button. I say in the class, I had few more things saying that call hyphen md hyphen 4. So that in the bootstrap, it has 12 column in a row. So that I'm fixing this button within 4 columns. Now you see. This makes sense? Proper alignment? Say yes or no?
Sir.
Everybody.
Yes, sir.
Everybody say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And then I want this should be center aligned. So what I'm going to do, H1 text hyphen center. So that your header will be in center line. Hold on a second, why Vinay is not joining?
Sir,
Yes.
it's fine, but could you please introduce that hot reload function so every time we don't need to like
Come again?
hot reload function.
1 second. Join now. Okay, fine. Thank you. Yeah, tell me, Anjali, what you are asking?
I'm asking about hot reload function, sir.
Come again?
Hot reload function.
Reload function.
Hmm.
I don't know how to do that. I'm sorry, what you are asking, I'm not able to understand.
Ganesh, you know na
Hard
about that?
reload, no, sir, for the data replacement.
Come again?
He is saying about the hard reload, no? In the top content, in the blue on the search, hard reload icon is available.
Ah,
I
So
don't
I
know.
think Anjali is saying same.
behind the
Red
continue.
icon.
I don't know.
Late item.
You are talking this one?
No, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, only.
In Visual Studio, sir.
In Visual Studio,
In
there is the
Visual Studio.
fire, yeah, the fire
Red
symbol.
color.
What?
No, no,
So
no, no.
you can run the project.
Hmm.
Ha,
And
there
then
is that hot reload function.
Why?
there
Sir,
is
if
a,
we make front end changes, like now you have added one property to that div,
Hmm.
so we don't need to stop and rerun the project.
Okay.
Adinanaga.
yeah, it is automatically.
Automatically refresh data will be refreshed.
Hmm.
I'm sorry.
Hmm.
Yes. I really don't know.
Okay, sir, no problem.
Thanks for helping. Okay, done. I think somewhat good. Perfect. But here I can have empty hyphen 3. So what you need to do, the moment you save, it automatically reload.
No, you need to be click the hot reload.
Come again.
You need to be click the hot reload. Yeah.
Okay, fine. It got down. This is good. Fine. But this guy doesn't have data. So what I can do, table hyphen primary. Save. Then click on hot reload. Now you got it. Some
Yeah,
changes
yes.
you can see, right?
Yes, sir.
This looks good, right?
Yep, sir.
Everybody.
Yeah,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Now, sir, I want to have a button here saying that edit and update. How to do that? Go say here, td edit. Okay. And td delete. Okay. Now, if you go back and refresh, oh, hot reload, right?
Yes.
Yes.
You got the edit and delete?
Yes, sir.
Say yes or no? Lavanya and
Yes,
every
sir. Yes, sir.
Mayur,
Yes,
Lavanya,
sir.
everybody understand, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes.
Now, come down here. I'm going to say td. I say anchor href. I will add this one. Okay. Don't say anything. Anchor class btn hyphen primary. Okay. I say edit. Okay, ma? Like that,
Yes.
I can come here, have, I say btn danger. Okay. And here I am saying delete. Okay. Save all. Refresh. Now you got the edit and delete.
Yes, sir.
You
Yes,
got the
sir.
product name, product ID, description, cost, edit and delete. You got it or not?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Now, the moment when I click on a delete, I need to delete this record permanently from the database. Clear my point? What I need to do? I need to delete this record permanently from the database. After deleting this, I want to refresh this one automatically. I'm going to apply that logic today. Tomorrow, I'm going to create and I'm going to edit. Let's do the delete functionality first. To do the delete functionality, go to your product controller. Listen carefully. Go to your product controller. Under the index action method, public iaction result delete into product. What I need to pass? What is the variable name I created in the
IT.
product ID?
Product ID will be.
Is this one? Put it here. And then I say return time being null. Okay. Here in top, I'm going to say route. I pass delete slash. What is the
Product ID.
variable I need to pass?
Product ID.
Product ID.
This copy of product ID. Clear my point?
Yeah.
Now
Yes,
I
sir.
want to associate this with my delete functionality in my index.html. To do that, here I need to add few properties saying that ASP-control, ASP-route, ASP-route-.
Yes, sir.
Clear my point? For that, you need to have a concept called tag helper. Or you got my point? To include tag helper in the top of the screen here, you say @ star. No. Tag helper, always I will forget that code. Let me go to Google. Add tag helper. You take this one. You see there is a tag helper in the. You need to declare a tag helper. Here you will give it. It will give you. I'll show you. You see there is a tag helper, ma? Listen carefully. You had a tag helper.
Yeah.
Copy this.
Yes, sir.
Paste it. But do one thing. Don't use semicolon. It will not work. You have to use like this. At tag helper star comma Microsoft.ASP.NET Core.MVC.tag helper. The moment you made this, you can create your tag on your own Hindi button danger, saying that ASP-controller. You got it? You got it or not?
Okay. Yeah.
See, ASP-controller. And then ASP-action. And then ASP-root-parameter name. What is the parameter name? We have
Product
Product
ID.
ID.
same name you need to pass. This is the name you need to pass as a here also. Okay, and then you pass the ID here. Here, what is your action, ma? Product your controller.
Controller.
What is your action method name? Delete.
Delete.
Deletes.
You got the point? So, to
Yes.
call a method, you need to add all these three things. To add all these three things, what you require?
Tag helper.
Tag helper.
What you require?
Tag helper.
Tag helper. What is the tag helper you have to include in the top? This is the tag helper you need to include in the top. Save all, run the project.
So if we do not add this tag helper, will we not get those tags below?
Yes, it will not work. I will show you that. If you are not adding the tag helper, your tags will not be associated. I will show you.
Okay. Because if we compare it with MVC, we need not add any tag helpers, but still we can add this ASP controller,
Those are
action
called
and
as
all.
ASP.NET MVC helpers. They are the HTML helpers. They are not tag helpers.
Got it.
Those are HTML helpers. This is tag helpers.
Sir,
Clear
what?
my point?
Sir, what is the difference between tag helper and HTML helpers?
You see, you got the product ID.
Hmm.
Say, sir. You
Yes,
see here.
but not the actual
Here.
product ID.
But it is not through the actual product ID. Why? Because there is a small thing you have to do. What you have to do is you need to pass the ID here. What ID? At
Pro-
model
Model. Okay.
dot
Product.
Product ID.
at model dot not at model.
Add product model.
Product dot.
Yes.
Yeah,
Add
it's
product.
product.
Add
Product dot.
product
Product dot.
dot. What ID?
Product ID.
Product ID.
Product ID. Now save all. Refresh. Hot reload. Now go here. You see? 1, 2, 3. All three are coming.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Now go here in your controller. Put a breakpoint here. Click on this one. You see, I got a product ID too.
Yes.
You got a product ID too?
Yes, sir.
Associated or not? Say yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
But I can close it. Now, what you need to do is go to your product service, go to your iProduct service, go to definition, say here, void delete products, saying that int product ID.
ID.
This is the method you need to implement in your which layer?
Service layer.
Service layer. Right click, go to implementation, right click, quick action, implement interface. Now you got the delete product ID, ma?
Yes, sir.
Now in the delete product ID, first I need to get the product object or not. Before I delete in the entity framework, what I need to do is I need to get the entire object of product.
Yes.
So for that, what you need to do, product model, what you need to do is product model equal to this dot db context dot products dot var id dot product ID equal to first or default. You have to put this.
Yeah.
Understand my point?
Yes, sir.
This is the query you have to write and get the value. What is your, no, you see here, it throws a lambda expression, converting null. Sometimes if it is null, so what you have to do here, lighter logic?
Yes.
You have to make question mark.
Not able. Question, yeah.
So
Not
that
able.
this object will come. Then what you need to do is this dot
DB context.
db context dot
Product. No,
Product.
sir.
remove. You are removing an object. What is your object?
Product.
Model.
Product.
Model. This dot DB context dot products dot remove, right?
You have to db context dot products dot remove. Clear? Now you are passing the model. Before you have to go and check, you have to write a condition, model not equal to null.
null.
Because if the model is null, you can't able to remove the object, right?
Yes.
Say yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So always a best practice, you have to have model should not be null. Once you've done that, this dot db context dot save changes. Because after removing the object of that record, I'm saving the changes permanently in the database. Once this has been done, what is your next step? It will come to your controller.
Controller.
We need to call that method.
You
in
need to call
controller.
that method. How
Method.
to call that method? This dot product service dot delete product.
Delete.
I'm passing
Product
the
ID.
product name.
Product ID.
And then return
Product.
Index.
return redirect to action of index method, because you need to
It will
refer.
redirect. Yeah.
Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Now I'm putting a breakpoint. So I'm going to complete this today and stop it. Okay. Tomorrow we are going to do the create and edit. Run. Because it is raining in Hyderabad, I want to go to office. You got the data?
Yes, sir.
Click on delete. It is coming here. Now you see the product ID is 2. Going to the product service, getting the model object from the database. You see the model is holding the data.
Yes.
Yes.
The entire model is holding the data, but you are taking an object. What is that object?
Product ID.
You see Samsung mobile? See,
Yes.
my Samsung mobile is the second record. You got the record?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And then you are checking a null, removing the model from the context. Now, if you go and see the view, that model will be removed. It is not coming. I don't know why. Open, it's already open a reader. It cannot be closed. Fine. And then the moment you make a call of changes, some exception because of the, I did it the wrong way. Let me stop and rerun. Let me rerun. Click on delete first record, F11. You see, record deleted.
Yeah.
Everybody,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
that's all you have to do, ma. Anything else you want to discuss? How is it? Is it easy or tough?
Easy.
Come on, guys.
Easy, sir.
So tomorrow we go and create a product. The day after tomorrow we will edit the product. Okay.
Oh,
While doing the create product, I have a lot of changes. I will explain. There are a lot of changes we are going to make. A lot of things we are going to make based on the real-time changes. Okay. So that you will understand how to make changes, how to communicate with the database, how to modify your entity framework, how to create your models differently. I will explain. Clear? Mayur?
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Everybody.
yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
The
Mm,
only thing we have to make sure is every time we need to pass a parameter, it should be like ASP route, and the parameter name should exactly match with the actual parameter we are going to pass.
You are 100% correct. You always pass here. What is the field name you are passing should come here. If you pass, if I remove this, what will happen? We'll see. You see here, your local host is wrong. See here.
Yes, yes, it is wrong.
Yeah.
We don't see product ID.
And one more thing, view page source. You see here. Nothing is there, right?
Yeah.
Go back, make it D, save all, hot it. Now you go to delete, you get the data,
Yes.
right click, view page source. You click on delete tree, it is sitting.
Mm-hmm.
See,
Uh,
clear my point?
Yes.
And
So
sir,
does
you are
tag, sorry to cut
yeah.
you. So does tag helpers also support any other parameters apart from these?
Come again.
So the tag helper, does it support any other parameters apart from these, like,
No.
you know, SB controller, route, and action?
I'll come.
Okay.
Tag helper will support lot of things. I'll come.
Okay.
Clear my point?
Yep.
Anything else?
Can we remove the means at the starting you are entering and you also display the what type of error occurred?
Come again.
Yeah. In the index.cshtml page, you are on the top. You are please comment this first tag and please run what please.
Your action method will not create it.
Okay.
That is must and should you have to include one. You see delete, nothing is there. No href at all.
Okay.
Plain HTML content will be generated, but it will not treated as a href attribute.
Can we also pass multiple parameters?
Yes, you can. It depends on the parameter value you want to pass, you can pass.
Okay.
Okay,
So
understood.
Okay.
Sir, can we pass custom type as well?
Come again.
Can we pass custom type as well?
Custom type means what? Object.
Like, object. If suppose we have created.
How come you pass an object as a route? That is not the right practice, right?
Okay, sir.
You should not pass any object in your URL.
Okay.
You
So
are
only
putting
inbuilt type, string type, we can pass.
The IDs or strings you have to pass to identify the record.
Okay, sir.
If you are pass everything in the URL, there is no point, right? Where is the security? People can easily crack it.
Okay, sir.
Clear?
Clear, sir. Sir, later on, could you please give one tutorial on debug, how to debug the code and all?
I'm coming.
Like
I'm coming.
you are using that stopwatch and all. So,
Quick watch and all.
quick watch.
Yeah, I will explain.
And
Yeah,
sir,
sir.
also on a lambda expression.
Come again?
You also explained the lambda expression.
Lambda expression. Okay.
I explained,
Yes.
right?
Oh,
I had explained, right? This is very simple.
yes, sir. But
Get a list
lot
of
of
products.
function is there, na, in there.
Say yes or no. In that, I'm checking a where condition. In that, I'm passing this lambda expression where I need a product ID. If the ID matches with one product, sometimes the record throws you 2 or 3 records on this particular ID. You need to take the first one so that you are using first or default. If you are not having first or default, it will throw error. See? Clear my point? Typecasting is not possible. What happened? If it required 2 or 3 records, but you are expecting a 1 record, it will not possible. So that what you will write here, dot first or default. Clear my point?
This is same as a top, right?
Yes.
Sir, this is the benefit or drawback of the entity frameworks. Because suppose that the multiple duplicate record is exist.
See, sometimes you write a query, you may get multiple records. If the matcher, see, based on the query, if you want a one record, you can take it. But the link you is make suring that you want to take the first record. That's it.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Anything else?
Sir, I have the one question. Sir, whenever this question is not related to this, but whenever I am writing the code in the .NET code, so we are taking the package like the.
Mr. I'm not able to audible today.
Now audible, sir?
Yeah, please.
Sir, whenever we are writing the code in the .NET core, so we are installing the packages. So why we are not installing the meta package?
Why we are not installing the
Meta package.
Meta package.
I don't know that one. What is meta package?
Sir, meta package is a collection of the multiple of the package. So because whenever writing the program, so we are installing the entity framework, SQL package, a lot of the package we are installing. So my question is, suppose that I am installing only meta package, so I think all library will be come under this package.
I don't know. I never implemented that one in any of my project. I don't want to make my code more clumsy.
That today I was implementing, so in this region I was.
See, sometimes what happen, make your project more clumsy, people will do meta package and all. So, as per my real time, I never used the meta package completely.
Okay, sir.
Understand?
Yeah, got it.
Anything else? Anybody have any questions?
So little bit, can you describe the HTML's tag helper and MVC helpers?
Come again?
Tag helper and MVC helpers, HTML helpers.
See, MVC is basically an HTML helper.
Okay.
Tag helper at runtime, it will generate the tags. I will explain. I have a document, send it to you, don't worry.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
See, HTML helper for ASP.NET MVC. Tag helper for ASP.NET MVC core. For core, people will use tag helper. For MVC, people will use HTML helper. Clear my point?
Okay.
Anything else?
Yes.
Anjali, Ganesh, Kamlesh, Lavanya, Chikoti, Chetan.
I'm
No,
good.
sir. Thank you.
No, sir.
Okay then. Thank you. We'll meet on tomorrow.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Okay.
Kamlesh,
Thank you.
if you don't mind, can you call me 2 minutes?
Yeah, sure.